Hey everyone, it's Brickclickingman. Today we're going to look at how to hang Lego on the wall, just like the Bugatti Chiron, the Porsche, and my favorite's Lego spaceship. As you can see, we're running a bit low on space, so today we're going to hang this Lego Creator fighter jet up on the wall, right there in the corner. The first thing we're going to need is some metal wire. And we're going to feed it through parts of the Lego, structural parts, so it doesn't wreck or damage the bricks. Probably one of the better places is through Technic pins, which we got a few right here on the bottom of the plane. Just make sure we can get the wheels back down. We want to make sure it's nice and tight and out of the way so you don't see it when you're hanging it on the wall. Now for this one, we're probably going to want to have it on a bit of an angle on the wall. We just want to make sure we get a nice center of balance. Just make a nice little tighten up down here so we can get it stable. And just trim the excess wires off. And then we'll just have to find our place on the wall where we're going to hang it. Next thing we're going to do is find a spot on the wall and screw this screw into the wall. Now that we have the wire running through Technic pin there, just all we have to do now is hang it on the wall. There we go. Looking good. We'll just change the angle a bit. I think that looks pretty cool. The other one's hanging on the wall. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and hope you have fun trying to hang your own Lego on the wall. Thanks again for watching, and it's Brickclickingman here in the Lego Cave.